Hey guys, this is John, and on today's everyday English lesson, we are looking at the connectors either or, whatever your pronunciation may be. We are looking at its meaning, usage, with some examples to help enhance your understanding. So be sure to stick around till the end of this lesson. We are starting right away. The connectors either or are used to mean an unavoidable choice between two alternatives. Those times when we need to make a choice, we come in hand with this pair of correlative conjunction. We use either or to connect two choices or items. Let's consider the example below. I've saved some money to buy either a DVD player or an MP3 player. Here we see the speaker connecting two choices using either or. The first choice, a DVD player. The second choice, an MP3 player. The speaker is simply using either or to connect these two choices. I've saved some money to buy either a DVD player or an MP3 player. From this example, you can clearly see that either or is being used to refer to a situation in which there is a choice between two different plans of action, right? We also use the connectors either or to connect items which are of the same grammatical type, such as to connect words, phrases, or clauses. Here are some examples. It's either black or gray. I can't remember. In this sentence, the speaker is simply using either or to connect two words, black and gray, right? You either stay with me or with Jackie. Again, in this sentence, the speaker is connecting two phrases, either with me or with Jackie. Either I drive to the bank or I get a taxi. In this sentence, again, the speaker is connecting two clauses using either or. The first clause, I drive to the bank. The second clause, I get a taxi. We use either or to connect these two choices or clauses together. Either I drive to the bank or I get a taxi. From all these examples, we can clearly see that either or is used to mean an unavoidable choice between two alternatives. We use it to connect two choices or items which are of the same grammatical type, such as when connecting words, phrases, or clauses. And most importantly, it is used to refer to a situation in which there is a choice between two different plans of action. As in this example, I've saved some money to buy either a DVD player or an MP3 player. Here we see two choices, right? And either or comes in to connect these choices as alternatives. The opposite of either or is neither nor. We use it to make negative statement, connecting items. Here are some examples. We got so wet, we had neither umbrellas nor raincoats with us. Neither our families nor our friends know we are getting married. From these examples, we see that the speaker is using neither nor to make and connect negative statement. Neither our families nor our friends know we are getting married. Here we see two negative statements, right? Neither our families nor our friends know we are getting married. And then we are using neither nor to connect these two statements together. I am working on a more detailed lesson on neither nor, the meaning, usage, with more examples to help enhance your understanding. So please be sure to check back this channel in a few couple of days. For now, thanks for watching, and I hope you found some value. If you did, I'm happy. Please show me some love by hitting that subscribe button and bell icon so you will be the first to be notified when I make my next upload. For now, don't forget to share this lesson across your social platforms, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram. In that way, you will be helping this channel to grow in order to keep on bringing you weekly interactive English lessons. just like this one. I will see you around soon.